Good morning, good afternoon, good night. I am Ryan Cook. Whatever time you're watching this video, thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing.
I'm still out there. Oh my God.
Perfect, I like that.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, get the net, get the net. It's a DD. Get the net, bro, please get the net. Oh my God, this is a DD.
Hey, what's up guys? Nick the Informative Fisherman here, and you're watching Common Sense Fishing. Check it out.
Bam!
When they're monsters like that, they can, huh?
What you looking at? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. So we're back here at the lovely little lake we all love, having some fun. I'm on to a new bite now, having some fun catching them a different way. So you guys are going to see that in the video here. Let's see if we can stick some more. This is fun. So this is beats drop shot and soaking a worm. So we will see you on the next fish. Pay attention to how we're fishing, how we're using it. Doubles with pauses, and then singles. So boom, boom. Let it sit. And then there's that single. And then I'm usually doing a double. Followed by a single. So see if we can get on them today. Got one in the boat already. Just got here. See if we can get some more. Now I'm gonna kind of yo-yo. Try some different things. Sounds like the lake's getting full. People heard word that they planted trout, and they come with their big trout swim baits. Oh, got one. Nice. Got another one. Haha. Seen that school down there and just yo-yoed this one up. Look at that. Out. That's how you get a treble hook in your leg there. So he just threw that at me. This isn't the size we want though. It looked like there was a good one amongst a school of fish like this. So I just spotted him down there, yacked him right on out. Let's see if we can get some more now. This little technique is paying off, ain't it? All right, first fish of the day, right away. Nice one too. All right, let's get this net out. Step on this. Nice. Look at that. That's a good 3-pounder.
Oh, I got one.
Sweet, you got one?
I had one.
Oh, he just had one. He just had a bite.
I had a bite.
Got that one on that. Look at that. We're on to a new bite out here. So on to new and better things. See you guys in a minute. Let me get her off the hook. All right. Here's what the bass are eating here besides the trout. Nice little baby bluegill. About an inch long, inch and a quarter, sorry. This year's fry. There's a good sized one on my fish finder right there. So we're gonna try to yo-yo that one. See if we can get it. Huh? The whopper plopper? Yeah, it's top water. Not right now. I mean, it could happen. They just planted trout, so you might get them, but I think they're more opportunistic. It's still really cold, so the fish ain't gonna come up to smash stuff like that. I would use exactly what I'm using if I was you. Well, no, but I got him. He hit good. Feels like a decent one. Sorry guys, my arm's in front of you the whole time. Oh, another one. Whew, he cracked it. Oh, he doesn't want to come up either. Feels like a good one. one feels like a pretty good one, guys. Oh yeah, this is a monster. Yeah, look at that, guys and gals. Oh, that's a horker. Nice. Ding! Woo! She's every bit of 5. Oh goodness, look at that. Yeah. We got to put her on the scale. I'd say she's an easy 4. Easy. Trout. Trout eaters right here, folks. A drop shot. Little guy. But hey, fish is a fish. I'll take him. Another one. He was on right away. So we'll throw what we got to catch him, from the drop shot, rattle trap, A-rig, swim bait. I don't care. Fish on. Another one. These aren't the ones that I'm after though. Still better than nothing.
Little shrimp dick. Shrimp bass.
Yep, little guy. Skin hooked. Look how he was hooked, folks. Look at that. If this would have been a big one, would have came off anyways. Look at that. Goodness. Look, pulled right out. There he goes. See you guys on the next one. Let's let him go. Boom. Don't forget, winter fishing, fish slow. You got Eli with his first bass. Don't fall in the lake now.
Oh, I know. Come on, buddy.
There you go. Just bring them on in. There you go. Nice.
Fishing.
Common sense fishing.
Don't drop my pole.
No, you don't want to do.
Common out of common sense.
Yeah, take the sense out of common, you mean. A wake on a fish right now. Let's see, it just. Did it stop? No, it's still coming. What the fuck? It didn't stop. It's right here. It's right here. It's a big one. That's a big one. Come on, come on. What are you doing? There it goes. It went down. It just went down. There was a big one swimming right towards us, guys. Seen the wake like Jaws. Holy smokes. Need the net.
Got it. Got it.
Oh, he hit me right underneath the boat, yo-yoing it.
I'll get it for you, bro.
Okay, hold on. He's barely hooked and he's pulling pretty good. I'm spooling him if I have to.
I'm gonna break this.
He's barely hooked. There he goes. Nice. That's another fatty. Sweet. Look at. And what did he come on?
Rattle trap.
One hook in the mouth too. Damn, that's a nice one. All right, folks. LV500 time. Come get them big girls. To freaking work it, dude. Did you see that shit? Hey, it's not a big one. Oh, he's fighting pretty good though. Holy smokes. Goodness. This one's fighting bigger than that other one. Goodness. This guy's lively. He's pissed. Oh, that's why he's like a 3.5. Yeah, that's decent.
Fatty.
Yeah.
Fatty.
Yeah, cheat code unlocked.
Fatty.
Cheat code activated. Rattle trap.
Fatty.
Hey, look at it, and it just fell off pretty much. Right in the net. Goodness, let's talk about luck. This girl should have came off. Big bass. She's a nice one. Yeah, one was in the mouth. It just fell out. Oh, she's not too good. Like a 2.5. Fought like a tank though, a little chunk. Look at that thing. It's a good one and he's barely hooked. Oh goodness. Get the net, bro. Oh yeah. Nice. About 2.5, 3 pounds easy. This one's like, no, this one's about a 3. Nice. Good job, dude. Whew, and just like I said, barely hooked. Oh man, I can tell. Whew. All right, we're smacking them on the rattle trap. LV500, get out there, guys. It's time to get them. All right, take a look at that, guys and gals. Just stroked another one. We're gonna take some photos, let them go. See you guys on the next fish. All right, guys and gals, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching this. Thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. Today the video is going to be about the LV500. We've got some nice bass to show you. Want to get them back in the lake and go out and catch some more. So give me a moment and we'll have them ladies out for you. Common Sense Fishing out here ripping lips with LV500. Yeah, baby. Thanks for watching, guys and gals. Bam! Bye-bye, ladies. Look, all swam off nice and quickly. Have a great day. We'll see them on the next trip. Ripping lips. All right, guys and gals. Here's what I'm doing. Just making long casts with the LV500. Letting it sink to the bottom. Yes, I'm fishing this in a ton of hydrilla and weeds and stuff. But there's, you know, sporadic patches. Like I'm in one right away. Then what you got to do is give it a double rip. Basically rips all the weeds right off your rattle trap so that you don't get your rattle trap stuck. And then when you pull on it, it should vibrate a certain way. If you don't feel it vibrating correctly, there we go, you need to rip it a little harder and a little more violently. Like you seen that last time, that just cleared all the stuff. And I can feel my rattle trap vibrate more like a spinnerbait or something, like a square bill, you know, like it's supposed to. So you cast it out into the weeds. I'm giving it 1 or 2 jerks, letting it fall and sit, and then I'm doing it again. And if I get into the weeds, I rip it out hard, and a lot of the time they're coming right after the rattle trap. That's as I like to call it, because I'm old school. Technically it's an LV500. Rattle traps just a brand, cotton cordell, and they're just lipless crankbaits. So, but I'm a burnout and I call them all rattle traps. So pardon my terminology there. So anyways, just kind of fishing it almost like a jig. You know, if there's not a lot of weeds, I'm just tugging it along, but I'm giving it pretty good hops. And then just letting it fall back to the bottom. But if I'm in weeds, I need to give it a nice good rip. And that takes care of business. And then I let it fall again. See? There we go. Still. There we go. Now I just felt it come free. And believe it or not, that's a lot of the times when those fish will strike, is right after that really violent rip. It's a reaction bite, like a jerk bait. But also the fish will hit when it hits the bottom. Got one. Yeah.
Rattle trap?
Yeah. Yeah, did you get the net, bro? There she is right there.
Oh.
There we go. Nice, thanks, bro. All right, hold on.
I was gonna get it for you.
Yeah, I don't want to stretch the hooks out. So, all right, guys and gals, another one on the LV. See you guys in a second. Low to the brain. Yeah. Bumping some Brother Lynch, catching some fat bass. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Who said music can't catch fish? This one's not gonna make the list. Rattle trap. Woo! Damn, he's eating trout for sure. Oh, this is a trout eater. Look at that belly. Look at that belly, folks. He's probably got a trout in there. Nice quality. This is probably a 3+ right here. So thanks for watching Common Sense Fishing. We're just using rip baits, lipless rattle traps, just ripping it right through the grass, and man, just having a great time. See you guys on the next one. Let's let her go. Bye-bye now. Another beautiful day out here at the Kelsey Bass Ranch, ripping lips with the LV500. Stay tuned for more fish, hopefully. Otherwise, as always, we'll see you on the next fish or the next adventure.